All of you, hi. Today I am going to explain the functions. What is meant by function? Let A and B are the two non-empty sets. A relation is mapping from A to B is said to be a function if every element of A there exists a unique element B belongs to B such that A comma B is belongs to R. Such relation is called as a function. Suppose I am taking a function is mapping from A to B. A is the domain and B is the codomain. A have the elements A, B, C. B have the elements 1, 2, 3. A is mapping to 1 and B is mapping to 3 and C is mapping to 2. So we can understand here distinct elements have the distinct images and every element of A have the unique image. Clearly we can say that 1 is image of A, 2 is image of C and 3 is the image of B. So every element have the distinct images in B. Such relation is called as a function. Let us come to second example. A is a domain, elements we have the PQR and B is the codomain ABC. P is mapping to C and Q is mapping to A, R is mapping to B. So we can say that clearly distinct elements have the unique images here. A is image of Q and C is image of P and B is image of R. So every element of A have the unique image. It is also function. Let us come to third example. G is a relation is mapping from A to B. Whether it is function or not we have to check. A, B, C and codomain we have 1, 2, 3. A is mapping to 1, A is also mapping to 2 and B is mapping to 3, C is mapping to 1. Here one element have the two images. One element have the two images. A is having images 1 and 2. According definition, distinct elements of A have the unique image. But here one element have the two images, then it is not a function, it is a relation. So we can say that a relation is said to be a function if every element of A there exists a unique element B belongs to B such that A comma B belongs to R. Such relation is called as a function. Let us come to types of functions. First one is a one-to-one function, so also called as a injection. A function is mapping from A to B is said to be a one-to-one function or injection if distinct elements of A have the distinct images in B. So that means different elements of A have the different images in B. Such function is called as a one-to-one function. It is also called as a injection. Okay, let us come to the definition and come to the example. Now I am taking as a function is mapping from A to B. F is a function is mapping from A to B. A is having elements 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. B is having elements A, B, C. 1 is mapping to B and 2 is mapping to A and next one we have the 3 is mapping to C, 4 is mapping to B. So we can say that clearly distinct elements of A have the distinct images in B. It is clearly one-to-one function is also called as a injection. So here domain, the elements of the first set is called domain. The elements of the second set is called as a codomain. Next we have the term is a range. What is a range? Range means the set of all images of a function is defined from A to B is called a range. The range means here f of A. F of A range is equal to set of all images that is equal to A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is called images. Stop करो.